Hello everybody and welcome back. If you'd like to add social media links to your YouTube channel, in today's video we will be guiding you to the steps in order to do so. So without any delay, let's just dive right into the video. So what we can do is first of all head over to youtube.com and open it up on our screen. And once you access youtube.com, you'll be finding this a particular screen. So what you need to do is you need to go ahead and look out for your profile in the top right corner right here. Click on it, and once you do, you may go ahead and look out for YouTube Studio within the menu and open it up. And once you open up your YouTube Studio, what you need to do is go ahead and access the settings from your left hand sidebar and open it up. And once you open up your settings, this will open up. You may go to this option called channel, and there you'll be finding different keywords in different sections. You can go to upload defaults, and when you head over to upload defaults, this is where you put on your description for your channel, like your social media link. So you can just go over and add up a title here, and in this description box you're going to go ahead and paste in the link of your Facebook or any other social media account that you would like to add up. So for example, Facebook, you can just head over and copy the URL, and once you copy the URL, you can head over, go to settings, from settings head over and go to upload defaults, and go to the section right here, go ahead and paste it. And once you do so, you can go ahead and even add up a dash saying it's from your Facebook. So just go ahead and hit enter. And once you do so, you can select the visibility for public, private, etc. I would like to do so public. And once you do so, you can even add tags and click on save. And when you confirm it, and once you head over to your channel and go ahead and try uploading a video, it will automatically show your social media links to their videos. So when you go over to your video, when you scroll, you will be finding a more tab. There you will be finding your Instagram account that you have pasted on your profile when you upload a new video afterward. And that's it. So if you'd also like to do so in today's video, you may try out this method in order to add social media links. So that's it for today's video. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.